In this day and age, if you don't have an IT system, you don't have a university in the United States. And that is very clear to anyone who works in that space. When Ellucian Managed Services came in and evaluated our university technology services, the two biggest issues that came out were the fact that we had, for our current process, nearly 600 customizations in one program alone, and the inability of the different services that we use to communicate effectively with each other, requiring us to do manual re-entry of data. And then, of course, that was a huge waste of time and introduced errors that would have to be cleaned up after the fact. So we decided to move from Genzabar to Colleague SaaS, and there were a number of different levels to that decision. When I looked at all our services and the requirements, I wanted a turnkey system that would allow us to track the application of a prospective student all the way through, not just to their acceptance at the university, but their registration, track their success as a student, track them as they left the university on to alumni status, and hopefully as a benefactor of the university. A big reason for choosing Ellucian was that the implementation of managed services was almost instantaneous, but the implementation and rollout of Colleague SaaS is going to take us 18 months, and all the other solutions that the colleges of Indiana had looked at were not even finished products and would take 3 years or more. We're in the business of education. We're not in the business of IT, and we allow people who are far better qualified and who have much greater resources to handle that part. Because of our partnership with Ellucian, I do not worry about IT causing the downfall of the university, but in fact enhancing its viability so that we can thrive into the future.